GM guys, you're welcome back. Today I'll be taking you through how to farm all these different data mining projects like Grass, NodePay, Gradient, and the rest. So how you can farm it using your uh virtual private server, so which is VPS. Let me quickly explain how this thing works for those that doesn't have any idea of it. So VPS is basically um, a virtual version of your computer. So buying a VPS, or let me say renting a VPS, is more like you are renting a computer from, there are different companies that are rendering that service. So, and the advantage VPS will give you is it will allow you to, keep mining, like keep your mining active for as long as possible, because with VPS you won't experience anything like maybe shutdown, or like your normal PC now. At some point you have to off it. Maybe you want to go and sleep, you have to off it, and maybe the next day when you wake up, you put it on, and you start mining your thing again. But with VPS, there's no need for you, shutting down your system or anything like that. So it is more like you are farming it 24/7. So that one will give you some advantage over others that are, maybe they are having, let's assuming that within a day, on like when you are farming grass, for example, now maybe within a day you might be having, let's say, 5 hours uptime. But if you are farming it with VPS, I can assure you that you can have your 24 hours uptime, like, because the system is not shutting down. uh, uh there's nothing like disconnection or whatever. So, and with that you'll be able to mine more points. So let's get to it. So there are different companies that are offering that kind of service, but I think the one that I seems to have interest in, okay, one of them is Countable, and you can see their prices for their virtual private servers. So for this one, and one thing is, whenever you want to, rent, order, buy, any word you want to use, whenever you want to buy any VPS, you have to put into consideration the CPU, the RAM, and the storage, because uh, ordering for a VPS is more like you are renting a normal PC, like you are buying a normal computer. And normal computer also, they there are different spec for different purpose. So you cannot go and buy a system of 1 gig RAM and expect that you want to play a game maybe like FIFA 2023 on it. It's not possible. So you have to also put into consideration whenever you want to order or you want to buy any VPS. So okay, like this on this website, I think the cheapest one is, it goes for 4.5 pound. That's per month. So you will be subscribing per month. So it's not like you are renting it and you'll be making your payment per month. And for this one, it comes with four CPU cores and 6 gig RAM. It comes with 6 gig RAM and 100 gig NVMe, 100 gig NVMe storage capacity, and of course 32 terabytes traffic. That's not like unlimited. So so this means like the traffic, or so it's more like the data, like your internet connection data, blah. So, and you can order for this, and if you like, if you have like if you want to use this one VPS for different or several purpose, you can consider opting for this one. So, but one thing about this website is you can register on it free, and the thing is, you need a virtual debit card to use this website because they don't accept, at least for now, they don't accept crypto as a means of payment. So that's just one. And uh, another website, VPS website on my radar is I'm coming, it's loading. Okay, so another one is pq.hosting. So, and okay, let's compare their price too. So for this one, you can, and when it comes to VPS, you can select any location of your choice. So it's more like, okay, let's say I want to have a VPS from, let's say, Belgium. So if I click on Belgium, so this server is located in Belgium. So I can just select whichever of this spec I'm going for. So, and you can see this one is just one core CPU, and it comes with only 1 gig RAM and 25 gig NVMe, and the price goes for 4.77 euros. But you will not be able to use Windows Server or Windows 11 or anything on it. So as you can see, you can only use Ubuntu, Debian, CentOS, and the rest. So, but if you want to use, like for the purpose of what we want to do, and I will suggest you go for this one. But it comes with just 2 core CPU and 4 gig RAM, but you'll be able to use Windows Server and Windows 11 and the rest on it. But for the purpose of this video I'm doing, I will be using another VPS company, because with, I think, okay, on this website you can make deposit through like you can use crypto to make a deposit. So if you don't have virtual card, you can actually use your normal crypto and make deposits on it. So I'll be using another company. Okay, so it's called aza.net. So just, if you just go to this website, register on it, and you are good to go. So I'll be ordering my server from this platform, and the reason is they allow me to pay per hour. So since I'm just using this one for educational purpose, so I would just like to subscribe for just an hour. So it's more like I'm renting the server just for an hour. So click on order. So under the name, you can just put in any name of your choice. But let me just use Pinnacle, and select the location of your choice. Let me go for Paris, and select the, like, the spec of the VPS you want to order. So let me go for okay, for this one I'll be paying 0.02 euro per hour. So let me go for this. I'll be paying 0.5 euro per hour. So under the operating system, select Windows Server, and click on R. So I'll just click on R since I'm paying, I want to pay hourly. So uh okay, so okay, let me disable this. I'll click on pay, and since I want to fund it with my crypto wallet, so just click on show other methods, and okay, let me pay through USDT on Binance Matching. So I'll just click on that. So in total, I'll be paying 1 euro. So including the connect backup, which comes with 0.01 euro, and there is 7% charges on this one too. So everything boils down to 1 euro. So I'll be clicking on pay. Okay, payment created. So they will take me through to the payment page now. Okay, I'm waiting for it to load up. Okay. So now I can make payment. So you can, if you are using Optimus Wallet, you can just log in and pay with your Optimus Wallet, or you click on Wallet Connect to connect your MetaMask to this payment page, or better still, just copy this wallet address and send in the USDT straight away. I think that one is better. By sending it, you are not putting your wallet at risk whatsoever. So I'll be sending 0.12 USDT to this wallet on BSC network. So let me open my wallet. So USDT. Okay, so okay. USDT on BNB Smart Chain. Send, and I'll paste the wallet address next to 1.2. So I'll click on confirm. So after sending it, I'll just wait for the transaction confirmation. Okay, you can see now the transaction has pop up here. Okay, payment is paid. You have successfully paid the invoice. So I can just go back now. Okay, so now that I have made a deposit, so I think I will still have to go and make the order again. So I don't think, okay, so Paris, let me go for this one. Windows Server, hourly payment. Okay, I think, oh sorry, uh that order was successful. So let me just, okay, let me check my Gmail. They're supposed to have sent me email. So you can see now, they have sent me mail. So now I can see the VPS details. So um service Pinnacle was activated. So now they have given me the login details. So this is my VPS IP, and as you can see here, and this is the password. So with this information, I can have access to the VPN I just purchase or rent or whatever. So the next thing is to, because this VPS now, you need another app to access this VPN. So you cannot just paste this on Google and expect to have access to it. So the next thing we're going to do is, you can just search on your system, just search for especially if you are using Windows. So search for remote desktop. Okay, let me even Microsoft remote desktop. Microsoft remote desktop, or you know what? To make it very simple, Microsoft also have their own um like what we call Play Store. So the same way we have Play Store, so Microsoft also have their own App Store. So just let's search for store. Okay, Microsoft Store. So on Microsoft Store, so here is Microsoft Store. So just search for Microsoft Remote Desktop, or let's say remote. Okay, so Microsoft Remote Desktop app. So just click on get, and you have to install it on your system, because it is this through this remote desktop you'll be able to have access to uh whatever VPS you have purchased. So I'm waiting for it to download. Okay, that's successfully downloaded. So click on open. So here is it. So here is it. Connect to PCs and workspaces. So now I'll have to click on add and click on PCs. So they're asking for my IP address. So I'll come here, copy this IP address, copy, then come here, paste it. So after putting in your IP address, you'll be able to have access. So click on save. So here's it. So to log into this PC now, I'll have to click on it, and it will ask me for my username and password. And I can just come here. The username is administrator. Copy it here, sorry. The username is administrator. Click on copy, and after clicking on copy and come here, paste it, and we go back to the um to that mail to copy the password, to copy the password and go to your Microsoft remote desktop. And okay, I think I'll have to type this one manually. Administrator. So that's just it. Click on connect. So you can see now, accept certificate and connect. So just connect anyways. So you can see now, so this is more like using another PC entirely, like entirely different from the my normal local PC. So okay, let me just ignore this one. So now that I have logged in to this VPS, so I actually subscribe for Windows Server, so it is not Windows 11. And okay, so okay, so this is the VPS, so don't get confused. So this is the VPS. So this is the VPS I am using. So you can see now, this is VPS. This is this one you are looking at is VPS, and I have okay, this is my normal system. So don't get confused. So after I've gotten access to this VPS, I can now do whatever I want to do inside the VPS. So this is inside the VPS. So this browser is inside the VPS. So on this browser, I can now install okay, let's start with grass. So grass okay, let me just search grass extension. So this is grass extension. I can just so I can install the extension inside the VPS. So let me just wait for it to finish downloading. I think it has downloaded. Okay, that's good. So let me, okay, so I can log in to my grass account. Don't forget, this is VPS. So password. Oh, okay. Mm, okay. So as you can see now, I'm having access to my grass account inside this VPS. So you can see the grass is connected. So as long as it is connected inside this VPS, I can even shut down my system now and just go and sleep, because I know the VPS is working and it will just keep mining. So there won't be any disconnection whatsoever. So, and you know, we have different data mining project going on now. So we have like NodeP2, right? So let's install for NodeP. So NodeP extension. So NodeP extension. So here is it. Then click on get extension, add extension. So extension installed. So I can also log in to my account here. Okay, access my account. What's happening? Okay, let me just refresh. Ah, I'm waiting to pass this verification. So since this is taking so much time, I hope you understand um the explanation I'm trying to reach here. So this is for node P, and also we have another one. I think we have gradient too, right? So just search for gradient sensory extension. Click on get node add extension, and you log in with your details, and of course your extension is already installed, and after logging in it starts mining. So it's as simple as that. You can also install your MetaMask on this MetaMask extension. So as you can see, so this VPS works normally like normal system. So, and if you are probably some kind of, maybe a private somebody, and you don't like people having access to your maybe private information or whatever, you can just install your VPS, and whatever airdrop you are farming it on the VPS. And you know that this VPS is quite different from your system VPS. So this just basically how this stuff works. Hope you guys understand. And if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because in the coming days I'll be dropping a lot more about node running, how to run nodes. And I will be also find like I will also find time to explain things, like for people that have zero knowledge of how this uh type of airdrop works. So I'll be dropping a lot of tutorials, so you won't want to miss out. Just subscribe to this channel, and also you can join us in our Telegram community. We drop back to back update there. So once again, thank you for watching this.